Hello, agus fáte hiic na seansalaithe mas maidir seansa blochiad na seansalaithe is mu humilí cheada agus tema a né nach really seansalaithe, which is actually rud nach neanam romhainn agus inis tá whole buzz le bheith cansa chuirde. Ach bhíon buzz le cansa chuirde aonas, bhfuil muid chuirde agus muid pólaí ar dúspáir tá seo le aine weird. Aine Fhlatharta.
Yeah, go bhaid. Sílam beidir go tú landráil leis an téime ó dhearra na seachtainiúil go muid chuin faoi Éist sugainn agus go seanas samúideis agus arcarta lecu napbug leanaí sé sa tróna.
Níl mai gin sin breigh right? Níor lách me sin na riú gotí like yeavli an hain. I think sinna ceadú bhí napbugum in my heel.
And you've never looked back.
Agus and I'm a pro nap man now agoni. Na nap man mar hurter armsa. Agus can't lad it been a labby gomininic to man seo fásta la James ó Fhlatharta. James Fhlatharta.
Yeah, go ma bí ma labo gomininic actually. Chuna iche bí ma sa labo. Yes, so sin gomininic. Yes. Ima labo hain, mind you. Yeah, go ma spáil mo chuí tá cinál cinál like formal agus informal version go éadach céan am hain is Hugh.
You know, ní mór mis an memo seo.
Yeah, the beige, orange agus navy setup kind of thing, yeah.
I'm sure Gert Fossa likes,
you know.
My mo get to bug fuck in my hand show, guys.
Well, listen, my fight to Hutch Kirch need the Sean Weher, then you'll be able to look like me faster. Sean Rhodes. But the guy, or if you want to look like a sweet packet, then all the immersion.
Yeah, I guess do my mo go around the mission because you know, just a whole tall drink of handsomes the lane show. So shouldn't have me macha, you know. Yeah, I guess my mo is never wrong.
I mean, sin rud faoi na seantasmóí hocalat literally bheith scrista ag arcní smasna d'arta riú and during she jeez tá tú gar go mai. And it's going like, you know, like tú gar ínta. Really, I mean it. You're like, the gin like súil electrice.
Bhí má mó actually fear ums le hanna like, jeez, tá má shocked in is den idea. Nach do a Lipa message Asha at Instagram. Má shocked. Actually, you know who birds Lanún alling. Oh, great grandchild, beautiful am.
James Lipa, as fair to me.
Okay, yes. Don't give me short time, do it. Don't worry. Don't you worry, land the ball.
Ní ceapam ggóil aon duine chun tugadtí hána le ceall dua ó Fhlatharta. Ní ceapam ggóil sin go bheith.
Dua í Fhlatharta.
Ó go a leis ceall.
Dua Lipa í Fhlatharta. Cuine sin double barrel.
Dua Lipa. The floating to Jastation, actually.
Fucking, I tell you one thing, lads. Not out of the realm of possibilities in this camera. You know?
Leis an léine sin is féidir leat aon rud a dhéanamh.
James Gittebug Delulu Sheelam, mar James tú kind fee, it's not out of the realm of possibility. Céin or is a híl goes a go bú le Dua Lipa í Fhlatharta.
Brother atá muslunge a hanna hain agus sásta go mas a cléile seo agus siars na blianta rábhí 8 ag bhí mu ag concert Dua Lipa hall is San Fran agus fu ticket for free watha na bhí Áine ag ceang na backup dancers agus níos just come go siar agus contact details á ríist agus trí an má hain a friggin sláúisteach den ríist agus sin béising.
Agus caiitú bheith súil go mé an dásar céine fós le híine.
Yeah.
Shabian?
Hey, look, okay. So let's just go raw. Yes, Vima mar Lord Hood a go Bay FM duel. So
yeah, so you know,
so you know, I know go this I know, you know.
Chappen to Gorel to. I know to real more host or Galway Bay FM.
Yeah.
Chappen me.
Erotissa of Ed Claw radio a hinum do oran. No, I don't think I'm to play in even do oran. A sort of radio ingale. Do a relax. Okay.
Now I don't know any bro younger chuig show days because I've just been kind of like grana lehi around like na to which these fair who so ni higla
no just like nach on sin aspect shot even a heel like what she gera like I can get her the details lehi
okay I didn't spin sin a career
yeah
Jack is like ligach checky or a lewis
so dói cearna go fred lata alisha gig seki mar yaller in contact is tusa and contact le alisha or Galway Bay FM
yes
Thig and Manish
You know, because
Yes.
tá the chuid you really, really, really dear here.
Oh, yeah, obviously.
Independent artist.
That, you know, on, you know, on crán take sin na tasa watha, way fair nach will a ho came lehe, a ta fui came lehe. You know, that would like push her up his foot.
In terms of height,
like,
no, in terms of
100, I actually think it was not the Kane the person do it. So Bim is brand like Dia Shaft and the Suda Kane, like Bim was like Eric wavelength, but toss arms like with Tumi Sean, ma. So Bim Aguni Ugrusus, I guess you were like, you know, just building you up all the time, baby. Just building you up.
Bug or latu and war hadid.
see.
Oh, hey, look, in fairness, like, what on the bill she let, I would. You know, I already need this. That would even Cecilia. Come on.
No, come on, that's galanta. It's literally supermodel, James. Like, relax.
Oh, sorry, nach we're super in front go move for again. Sorry, nach we're maar super fine nach margiochte. It's
super 5 minute market. Sorry, architect cost could you their fridge of your YouTube shouldn't come with her in that shop. Sorry, there hasi much in Taffet shop, right? Near my cat live la tumble. Do you know agus near hasi man Taffet shop near Chapma made would hold dead set or do a Lipa agus well it's Shaw and Fhlatharta. Well I'm planning to own, you know, Shaw like agus it's ruin more Shaw chance, you know. Maybe I should kick Tomas and Podchraoladh the wear and ruin Shaw's clearly. But in flag or Hasimage in podcast, Mahanig, you know, Mahanig James Zanya, it's from Gary Vay or Raya, you know, an option lahai the like exclusive dating app lahai the celebrities are fad. Well, I think of sure Shaw. I shouldn't fly Wanger. Now what's a good for Shaw?
Need to me.
Tell something that. Oh, don't worry, tell something that.
James there, Hannah, clearly.
No. Well, I'm going to be honest, lads. Ní seachtainí sin na fáile sin mé go rá tá go rúnach ramachchin go méid go bhfuil sam duine na ghir ní seachtainí sin na fáile an app.
So and just celebs, Ebola celebs.
Yeah, celebs, but celebs is kind of loose term.
It's kind of loose term.
Yeah, glad we're Galway very famous the celeb.
Hey, look, I think we're actually raw word in that finish. I think I'm like, you know. The choiseach sin me go BFM. Bhí me iad like thug ma plug in chuibse agus go Podchraoladh agus dús me go trio mod so then an termo go ma chéad trí óran was trios agus TLC no scrubs
deadly
now want you back agus Jones Brothers
oh my
right mask on simulation
do it if that doesn't get you.
So, fun second, and Fade was just occurring cash arts, James, though. Nervy tour on radio, so obviously we were Galway Bay FM, and Jenny. Agus, and row, listen on, not Aran or Fod around you, or was it like a bank of like, no, we didn't on like Kabir Road Vita Gary, like, what is a shot shine list, and you were like, I want depressing country, I want sadness, I want grew up.
Like, look, just visa go mocht do a gate, so you're making a sad shin, like, a hormestach. Like chumasach or on the one side. Jamie Miller, maybe next time it's really sad. Agus is bralama. Couldn't that queen of Maguni. Agus chin, holy on like he tear me out. Guys, he fucking tear me out.
Tear me.
So he can't see your own trios, right?
Yeah.
And then there's and this is a segue.
Segue.
He tear me ella go So Thomas go Boston na gan caiiciis?
No way.
Thomas go Tastal.
This in Boston.
Seachtain.
Cén lá tú etal rás is Boston.
Fe naú lá.
Shite. I think sin go go bhéh in Boston le nu am Hall America.
So tú dul go Philadelphia hí me?
Yeah, but ní seach urgulé ar flight go Boston agus tá this is so bad tá wrestling show Ella or show in Massachusetts that really great
come on
I think when the flight's booked tá a Harvard kid goes because you're Hannah anyway sorry
Neil job lad I'm sure August
bad
jobs overrated
exactly.
So nu said to be Mission Boston bhí me ceir agus chumise i mú I másta. Like,
Hí náhfuil ine orm.
I was a missing child, like, bhí me mar missing child.
What? Fa chun couple click nó lána go?
Yeah, a couple like, probably úr, probably maybe 2 hours. So like it was like a troll, I guess. So I just wandered off. So yeah, so cause that fitting the bill, go dini to constantly gauge like fitting the bill in this job. Mish basically done the Irish goodbye to my wings in a cat. She's amazing on. I guess so. Did my off. I guess yeah, so we obviously my wings to the on the garden. You're also called where's this little tubby Carol baby? I guess you're almost now my on. A Carol mission was like the my wings to the trocha, the balla and show. I think we just had a TV at a balla. It's in the Kushlangane.
Or click.
Yeah, probably yeah. It was a big job, like
big project. Huge.
Be mansion token, James.
Your James going to start planning permission line.
Hey, tell you, if in the Guardians did it on the planning is stop. Yeah, we my hand is Castlebell. We was just we just more architect. We miss more labor. It was just like we had it
right, yeah.
Like obviously an Irish Boston more labor. Like
yeah, we made your color out. You pulled the short straw there.
Yeah, I guess chin a radio dus ma I guess Thomas go nu go Boston Thomas was kilterling heen noon en gassens or an Gaeilge choma the country and they dus ma vi did mag foods of the country but Harvard in Oana Beyonce Texas Hold'em boom straight out bang
Vís come grow to go Texas Hold'em casa.
Oh yeah.
Or on Brack on
Gaffel le Jenny we basic but yeah.
Hey, vi subs the country in the river vi subs the country we shall uncool. Should I get ahead of the curve of the emission?
Ach níl ó an Beyonce fiú in a fear. Kegur is as Tex is as Houston so glaki me leis. Yeah, ach I mean tá she just a goose at blast beag den stíl le cuidiú le career seki, me all náhfuil níl the bangers a chat cohéisgus a bhíoh siad dí couple blian hin agus fecinn si go leor ceoltír a chat tríd ag bpodchraoladh Janie, so she's like better get on that.
That is a huge take.
Yeah, Tamish, I think Beyonce's overrated.
Massive take.
Massive
take.
Yeah, she okay, it's Bradham and stuff. Lua and she go glory into Taki, but like hopefully or an crap a karmak as you're acting up to Inta. Just me like Beyonce then.
You're also amsa go on Podchraoladh go to throw. The go moite egal go moite go calling out she and that Beyonce. That was like these amsa like Tamuta Donna, but that's
I know I feel like good me call na Dina League Hanny Swift Taylor Swift law.
The beehive.
Mahor and Hagnan and an episode show ma. Yeah.
And also the hack of toilet paper art is just got like honey is just painted out of the dirt with it.
Chile on go me like certs dinner knock will mask here mara cook I think Sheila sinner I regret nothing as ni glach marasha.
Listen, car just you're not on the bandwagon. I shouldn't go home on car leor. Mohim sa shin more a land rodi. Tell vi land hot takes up to a couple of hour on a V the charts let Janie that really wound me up.
Oh yeah, we ran to good for who are the close friends.
Yeah, we can't wanna do I see my like I don't know.
Ken James, come on, and I will
Albert the key to every 5 band lob. Because like
2 days into college, I think your vision and Kin the R.
Oh yeah, should go that. Yeah. Well, it's Chew. It's cutting name looks give at you. As Gaeilge, as Oscar na Gaeilge. Agus tá blown up. Agus tá Dini every skimmers got freaking Duke. Achasa. Fucking Duke. Was that Duke?
Wow.
More in a kiss fell.
Ten the Kate million like Rarkiga agus Viewga agus stuff. Agus Tasha absolutely shite. Tasha Tama Sean Rod right. Tamisha got gigs la blianti. I think Gabe Seanish. Tamisha got gigs la 3 blian jaganish. Tamisha got gigs for real from like Carjig, 3 Carjig. The Shaw or those can the cat kill gigs from Michigan bhí má ag genú bhí se le haid like school competitions really mar sin whatever. Seansalaithe a bhí like daoine bhí ceirde ag scríú ag an am sin. Agus níró siad mai ag an am sin agus in fi ceir go fáil te siad absolútlí shite. So just ní hiige mé. Tá má géis an áan right. Agus tá má just like a cáhfuil an sim. Like céin fle ó bhfuil dúla daoine seo.
Sílam go sé go maiid mealagur go maiid mar TikTok sound. Mar go sort like storytelling element leis agus úsad daoine eile sort like day in the life a haspan no each in their no skull, you know, a sílam go sin apá.
But being ta arni I Jenny shot and I'm fucking gonna go off with her. Ta arni Jenny shot and ish and Tamar Fad, where it's like literally Hogan Curtin Arnick yell it, say an Arnick, also an Arnie gear what he's scared where it's like, yeah, woman your ad instead of like 3 woman your car woman. And then a punch it against an Arn, it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's like designated montage music, whatever. It'll learn Arn, it'll be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like Jay, what are you Jay to country? Jay will to Yanu. What are you came fly with your Jenny shop? Like what are you talking? This is how I spend my day, and this is how I spend my night. It's fucking coming on. Ní credit Neil anything scream shot. Shot screaming fucking AI.
Wat éidir a géistecht bhil éidir seo clipáil agus duna TikTok sound go rancho.
Well, let's go Colleen rinne I remember where and then she and like run induction, right? Which is probably edited, but anyway. Tá sin ag ceann scríú and it's like 1 a.m. breakup, 2 a.m. makeup, 3 a.m. Yeah, and you're like
no.
And then Laura's like
Yeah, it's cream of clubs in the private storage we had Hugh, so to like bash Laura. And Jamie to like, and you know that one 2 days into college, he was like, hold up, wait a minute. I'm 2 days into college.
It's full of an orange. But like even la stuff you know, more like TikTok sounds, whatever. It's like quick Jake second the R on whatever, and then it's like in like 3 woman chella, whatever. Agus like R and Fleshigum, see fucking Makaba. Like being like quick, like it doesn't quick Jake second to the TikTok. And then an R is just shin like 3 woman in hella. It's so great. Ní féidir I just
Tá sé cosle no, so just dinner we go Premier Pro, but my hain tú sta tá tú ábalta fads de orani and níos fuide le like loop. Agus sin costal rud a tagentcút because like they've stretched out the melody and tá just rud ag an nachfuil tír go gar to tí leor. Oh. Honestly, come in chin lat ein team le.
I agree wholeheartedly like you, right? Like go with a deer to my being stag na the river because tá an orange go to bed galore.
By arms at Caillou like Duke basketball jersey agus agus and face mask.
Duke basketball. Cream of lad an or on Queen lad we drafted was like Mo Bamba. What a banger, lads, what a banger. What a I love TikTok sounds. Oh, Kifogama.
See, and then turn to see when like basic bittered.
It's basic bitch, James.
Yeah,
but
I love TikTok sounds. Says no one ever.
Direct quote. I love TikTok sounds. James Fhlatharta.
But like, tell this shit as TikTok. What's it called? Hold up, wait a minute.
Fucking.
So either not going ní smó than a like the TikTok sounds úsá tugad le a good TikTok na héna crochu mar sin.
I don't really create TikToks. Just didn't constantly.
CapCut.
And you know what can have been again it's faster. And with that, the 2022 season is great one. Because I'm sorry, from a sports fan, that voice is iconic. Lane draft is such an intro.
And sin an dagan sé, he me could just grow the neg and Soalia a yenu as a microphone.
No, it's like it's in the addition in the lad means it's in the like and with that the season comes to a close. Like
but it is average though. It's not an actual
it's not the same dude. No. Ach, cin cean bhí an ring my TikTok for sound kings be really funny like being or on him shit intro really wow.
As caiimine seiceanú déis mar tá a lágail má as tá go
Yeah,
síl
was it like I've been walking around with 0 bitches. Yeah. And then she like literally iskult on Oran. Agus sin tá an chuideanaró just like, oh, it's such a disappointment. Meall tá iskult chomá gohfuil an chuideanaró just ufos.
But a re shin and rud la TikTok where it's like find the leor for that like 15-second whatever like in clip whatever. Agus in reconciliation it's like it's coming just pretty my hair. Jimmer tan detox the gal actually James because when Michelle like shocking away but when Michelle like like I went like real weird lemo digital detox but like that but this is just goodbye genu.
What is a fucking bunker in Austria in this kids?
It was Berlin. Please. It was several bunkers fast.
So leis an digital detox will cad a good fós picture as fi an glacu as iad chuin ar phone.
Oh yeah, it's just a social media detox. It's not a digital detox.
Okay.
Like, I still watch TV.
Ni bheith muid a genuine podcast shot there
It's actually this is should I ceachomás a AI fáte but just
we've created a James.
No, come on. Like Tama actually like really like Tama color fáte body sure. Like Tama whoop rock on my recovery body insane. Ring my road really like do my shot at but like you can't my lower. I'm actually lay of lower. Like as in like Tamisha Ed Cabazal. I'll tell you now. Fishy cat.
James.
So fucking 83 chapters now.
Okay, hang on. Leor tá leogat. Oh, okay.
3 Little Birds is a murder mystery.
Vi me súil like autobiography the far sport again.
Yeah. Don't worry. Tá leor eile tá blue.
Of course. But Sinead, wait, James, Jen Kershis are the book who's the Michigan Hunchish band the Leor he tam Michigan Leo Fhlatharta 5 seconds. Jen Kershis and shit is all.
Like that Hugh gonna be live like Yu-Gi-Oh really like this gonna be crazy but
yeah they were digging like really fantasy like third action the more your two who's there so it's on you
John Thompson na lehma on cool bro
lay
agus me go ma leo cool on lower show killing sin gachtene go will ma actually in on leo.
Huge of true.
When a skull is found in Lochcoin, facial reconstruction expert Dr. Carla Steele is drawn into a 14-year-old case, but not all cases are cold, as Carla discovers when she and Detective Jack McGuire find the brutally murdered body of a local woman close to the water's edge.
Okay, so murder mystery. And certain what goes sim on.
Oh yeah. Do I give him our blachtide macho?
Blachtide?
You'd want to get a jump on that. I mean,
yeah, Thomas.
What you really get your ass, you know?
You might really get it, you know. You might get it out of the ass, you know. When you're in that role, you're married to the job.
Married. So na leorí to Michelle Fhlatharta. I want to take a moment to appreciate Jane the bookmarks me. So can bookmarks my usage is an ehi we machine mark G.
Oh, James.
Yeah. Agus and your shot na the anthology of emo, which is a land Banny Hall a general Eagrán Chinese fair to my Leo Lore Fhlatharta. Agus if Lahaishin a bookmark Lahaishin to my goosage wristband on Erectus.
Look on brand. Jeez.
Yeah. Agus and yours my Leo na Way of the Blade 100 of the greatest bloody matches in wrestling history. Agus Tasha League just pictory agus like illustrations and stuff.
Hugh that Leo.
No, Tashkelty on Foster, Ta PC on Foster.
Boo.
Ní higlam a rá now go léhin counter beat and leorty sin atá Shivanera.
Really? Murder mystery?
It's all right. Ní win an urgent annuous. Fak sé orcus le, you know, it's chore around leorty leo. Fak sin get to cuslish and shilum.
No, it's captivating sin focail dulma.
Ar na reviews be ar an cool dog.
Tá seo ag feú do chuid béle istéin, beidir go bhid
Bis man an bheit radioach seo le béle ní an.
Better.
Béir man hí fucking Europas book sam le mar translate am héidir dú Lipa, so bés man an sin can.
Beitu ho erudite James cards listen.
Follow my James and defected there vicariously as vicariously in a
le could you Janish we're gonna get there.
Lie again.
That was a rude awakening in Johnson.
Because Tessa got hey ní héisian an am journal am imaging a wrench shammer like hella, so we need to be 100% certain. Can't oh no James please.
You can always tell the am Haitian
engagement.
Yeah.
Well, kind of me knew the green you could take a guest to go to John.
No, just hook back, I think hook back Eva, like as in go in couple of him here the Hugh. I'll just my bite curiously. I guess we in person Reen's lab.
Agus an chuig Hugh súsar státe Gaeilge is din shed and slew omlan gurú sa tún focail. Go to. I'm living vicariously through you.
Yeah. Agus ní go ní ceaping go eintar sa bhí se nach Lauren Banlam duration gig sin Gaeilge. Yeah.
Fhlatharta. Listen, I was protecting myself, James. You're my Gary ain't surprises nor my shocking camera. So listen, but there Shaw class though, go to genuine fios Shaw or fad, like, go to better
Thomas screen time body she's dramatically. Just go má bhíor me bhrise inniu de híine. Bhíor me bhris gé mé gra orm rá groma ed an radio ach literally ísló am Instagram fa cúteag numad chun just choirí mar tagad ag gáibh fem eiceáil agus just ceanmá an scéal chosús agus rá go man radio and then quickly deletion it Éist agus so sinna bhí an. So me get trí seachtaní agus sinna bhí trí seachtaní thuas bé me plane go Boston agus bé me spamáil cholanne le mo chuid teistil agus mo craic agus
agus a gé?
Mo craic mahún, yes.
Ar no CMAT.
Oh my god, cai I James a chur ar ngúnis an ná in tafan seo.
Oh, not what tú James?
No, get a hála.
Oh.
That was Harvey.
I mean, that's cool, but just to make chun dá now crap all a Victor dí.
Like I mean, like was it the daoine cants faoi rudí tá Éist talú le seachtainús. Yeah, níos absolutely.
Oh yeah, sure ní active for the bee.
Willy Wonka in Glasgow.
Oh, chuma faoi sin ní.
Yeah, well sin breis a seachtainúin so beidir go waci sé solar hosta sé a detox.
Fresin like, an referendum tá you on. Not a clue.
Yeah.
Tá still can go to votal.
Yeah, sure. Níos am really.
Oh my god, don't get me mad. Jen Ryan's taide. Hig le dollar the reason.
Okay. Go mags. Kama vota and I might put the X the wrong place, so I'll spoil it. So yeah.
I'll spoil it. And then I go and spoil it.
I was saying something stupid like maybe
I'm gonna put the X in the wrong place and spoil it.
I think a game which I think a game with gogs we're on a time constraint new.
Mata any good picture chun but na screenshot the agus any crack at am own agus sin sin chun see mad.
Glock and screenshot. It's fairly screenshot Glock. Agus Áine ag Glock and picture gallant to James with his crack. Sinead the chatting chatting shot Vermina Moy is up to be Lynn fame which Rash recent chatting showing la Eagrán Akgajishin how much your file and the man host or Seansalaithe or Instagram Seansalaithe or Twitter Seansalaithe or YouTube but the guy Áine Amsterdam the man host the testing more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or Twitter because anywhere or TikTok but the guy James Amsterdam the man host the testing more Jimmer Tetherwood or James was reach. I'm only messing. Fhlatharta or Instagram, Fhlatharta or Twitter, agus Fhlatharta or TikTok. As with the game, hey, I'm sure man host the more Hugh here Instagram, Hugh here Twitter, as Greg Hugh or TikTok. Now Jenny German Foster, more than will social media James Kai Shivsha and Upper Yanu Iglort la Dua Lipa. So Jenny Kincha, Chase Ja in the comments, Chase Jas in the DMs, Dua, Shaw Ever James, Jen German, First Garcher, Tesha Sear and Chatting Shahogan. Agus Beisha in Boston Foster. Don't big time Dua Lipa James, please. Now be like, oh, I don't know what must here. No fucking Beitu's here.
Hey, Hugh.
Sorry, I'm not
come on, play cool. Play cool.
Sorry, of course.
Yes,
yeah,
like,
do a Matt
like,
Tatus here.
Yeah, like Thomas Gull, like the flight is going to cancel Matt Tashi gun my feet on. So just Dua Lipa Fhlatharta. Super more that.
Dua Lipa Fhlatharta. Sinead an agur chat na seansalaithe funny salt as Jerry shouting it agus drás chat to le agur nuir den na seansalaithe. Salam.
Salam.
Oh.